This 2023 Thor Motor Coach Hurricane 35M is for sale today at Beckley's RVs. Starting outside, make note of the conveniently placed exterior TV. Your coach is built on the Ford F-53 chassis. It has a 7.3-liter Triton V8 engine with 335 horsepower and 468 foot-pounds of torque. Above your cockpit is a loft bed on an electric lift. Moving on, make note of your dinette and sofa, both of which fold out into additional sleeping space. Across from this is your kitchen. Moving further into the back of the coach, you'll find your entertainment center, as well as your master bedroom with a king-size bed. Adjacent to your master bedroom are two bathrooms.